Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn how to take a screenshot and record your screen on a Mac without using any third-party apps. Mac has a built-in feature designed for this purpose. To take a screenshot of your entire screen at once, use the Command-Shift-3 combination. It will instantly capture your entire screen. The screenshot will be saved to your desktop by default. You can also take a screenshot of a specific part of your screen. Use the Command-Shift-4 combination. This will change your pointer, as you can see, allowing you to select any part of your screen to capture. Once you release your finger from the touch bar or mouse, the screenshot will be saved. Let's check what we have captured. If you have a MacBook Pro with a touch bar, you can even take a screenshot of the touch bar. Simply use the Command-Shift-6 combination. See, this is my current touch bar. You can record your screen using the same built-in feature on your Mac. The Command-Shift-5 combination will open a panel where you can select your recording options. You can record your entire screen, capture a specific window, or select a portion of your screen to record. In the Options section, you can choose alternative locations to save your screenshots or recordings. You can set a timer to give yourself some time to prepare your screen before the recording starts. Or you can enable the mouse pointer option to make your clicks visible during the recording. When not recording, you'll also see screenshot options available on this panel too. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel.